Hello you guys and welcome. This is just a short tutorial on how to write a comment on Innerconnectics.school.blog. First thing you want to do is on the upper right hand corner of the website, what you want to do is click basically write, like write on a piece of paper. And when you hit this tab, what's going to happen is you're going to end up in this add title page. So you can add any title you want, doesn't matter, and then you can add a quick summary after your title. The other option is, let me go back, leave the page. You're going to scroll all the way down until you hit this area here where it says leave a reply. And basically just going to click into the box and type in whatever you want to type in. At the bottom here, it says notify me of any new comments via email. That is optional. You don't have to put your email if you don't want to be notified every time somebody puts a comment. So that is basically it. And then once you basically have your comment here, you just post a comment. It's pretty simple. And that's it. That's all that I wanted to talk about here. Hopefully this has been an easy tutorial for you. Thank you and bye.